everyone. I hope you're having a fantastical day. And guess what? It's your lucky day. You get to see me open 2 packages. Isn't that amazing? We're just gonna move this one over, almost there, and thud. So this one's from eBay. I'm gonna cut it with my scissors. Try to. It's struggling. It's always a struggle. I don't understand why. Success! Woo. Really? Come on. Don't try this at home. And make sure my students don't see me cutting like this. That's not how we teach them. Alright, now that it's open all the way, we are going to pull it out. I'll give you some guesses of who I got. This is an old doll. There's your hint. Let me just take all this stuffing out. It's a lot of it. Alright, here we go. Pulling it out. Wrapped in bubble wrap. And we are actually going to move this box. Alright, here we are. The white box. You probably know from what time period this doll came from. Alright. No bubble wrap. And then boom, the box. Take a peek. And I'm gonna close it because I want to show you this. Look, it's signed from Santa. And that tells us 1996, so we have a date. Let's open the box up. Oh, here's the number. So it's number 20. She is one of the rare ones, but not too rare because people don't want her. And there she is. Yeah, she doesn't have anything on, but that's okay. I do know what date she's from. Stand her up. Just take her out of the box. And there she is. Her hair is actually really soft. I'm amazed of how soft it is. Look at me, just stroking it. Stroke, stroke, stroke. There we go. Now it looks fuller. Oh, it's beautiful. Excuse me. Okay. Can't see her face, but she has her gray eyes and her soft body and softer final, so she's not a newer version. Looks like she doesn't have any marks. Her limbs are pretty loose though. Not terribly. Her arms are pretty good. Let's test her limbs out. Yeah, the legs seem to be needing some work. But it does make sense for a doll her age. Alright. I can't stop touching her hair. She also has long neck strings. Nice and thick and long. I really like the neck strings. I'm not really sure about the zip ties. And I'm going to show you her stamp. Says Pleasant Company. You probably can't really read it. I can't stop touching her hair. This happens every time I get a new doll. Always touch their hair. Alright. I'm gonna put her back in the box. I did order her meat outfit, so I'm gonna be waiting for that. Alright, let's close her up and move on to the next package. So this next package is from American Girl. Now that we open it, we can take some peek inside. And of course, first thing we see is peanuts. Or if you want to be like me, you can just say, they sent me snow. Alright, now I put it in the other box, and not just on the floor. I learned from my mistakes. Alright, we're gonna pull this out first. And then I'm gonna do the other one last. There's still peanuts in here. I'm just swishing them. Because I like to swish the snow. Swish, swish, swish. I'm very strange, I know. No, when I thought of when opening this, that you could do a prank. Colored one of these in orange. Called it Cheese Puff. Probably prank your friend. I don't do pranks though. Anyway, here's the thing I'm excited about. Yes. So the new doll that I have is going to be using a wheelchair. Now I need to get my scissors, cut it open, because I'm a doofus. I think I can just do it with my hands, because I'm super strong. Not really. And struggling, of course. Open Sesame Street. Finally, it's open. Pull the tab down. Still struggling. Pop up the lid, pop up the flaps. And then swerve. Look at that beauty. There are more flaps to move. Very interesting box design. Alright, and we lift. And we lift. And follow. Move this box out of the way. Make it dark in here. And then change it. There we go. Look at all that plastic. It's squishy. It's so soft and squishy. Time to take it out of this plastic so it doesn't look like I'm squeezing a trash can. And more tape that I gotta struggle with. Because this is my life. Alright. Let's pull this baby out. Ooh! Ooh! Look, a snack. It gave me a snack. Isn't it lovely? Alright. Oh, I love this so much. Wheels are amazing. Just rolling around on my bed. I'm going to show you these awesome wheels. Look at that. That is so cool. And you move the feet. You can tell this is my first time buying a wheelchair from American Girl. Move it back down. Oh, it is 360. That is cool. And then there's the brakes. There's the wheelchair brakes. So there is a My Life As that also has wheelchair brakes, but theirs don't work. These actually work. Spinny! Spinny the wheels. I love spinning wheels. Right, as you can see, there's no handles. There's a little pack. I love it. It's so cute. It's so small. I'm gonna take it off. It's held by Velcro. Very easy to put on it, put off, take off, not put off. There is one. Nope. There is one big pocket and one small pocket. So cute. I love this wheelchair so much. Let me try to put this back together. I don't know why I'm struggling with this so much. Alright, flip it back around. Doo-doo-doo. So squishy. I love it. Alright, now it is time for the big reveal. What did Handa get? Hold it. Move this, because you're not going to be able to see it if that's there. That would be fun now, wouldn't it? Alright, pull this out, and I have got da 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 da. Remove the box for first. It is number 92. And yes, I do know who she looks like. Okay. Let us pull her out of the box. Lifting up the lid. And what did I see? Sorry, I had to. Alright, and pull out the book. Friends! Because everyone needs friends. Alright, and then let's look at her. Look at her dress, her vest, her boots, her hair, especially her hair. Alright, and then we're going to take my trusty scissors and snip her out. Here she is. Let's take her hand guards off. We just look at her hair. Off. And off. Alright. Lift. And come on. I think these are like the hardest to do. Ugh. Okay. Next one. Noisy car outside. There we go. Alright, there she is. Let's move this box out of the way. Alright, and there's the boots. These boots are very plastic and they're super loose. Look how loose that is. Alright, pull it off. It's squishy, it's loose, but there's like no way to Velcro it like they usually do. So I guess that's okay. But it's super loose. There's a nice dress and the vest. The purple and the black. Right. Let's look at her face. And we are going to remove the hairnets. And I know you cannot see it. This is my third hairnet removal this year. Isn't this crazy? I think it's crazy. Alright. Set it free. Gross. Okay. Not really gross if it's not from real hair, but right. Wow. Explosion of color. I do like this kind of dyed hair. You know how there's like completely one color or completely all these colors? But this is the kind of dyed hair that I like. Some natural and some dyed. Let me just floof it and make it all springy. Springy. Bounce, bounce. Super soft. I'm scared to brush it. I'm trying to move it out of her face, but can't. It won't move from her face. I should get like a tie to tie it like right there. Missed a piece. Tie it like right there, but I'm not good at styling hair, so that might not happen. Alright, let's get her in the wheelchair. There she is. And she looks absolutely fabulous in the wheelchair. And yes, I do have a name for her. Her name is Brooke. I do forget what the last name is I chose for her. I will put it up, her whole name. But yes, I'm not going to introduce her into my AGSMs until later, because there's a special way I want to introduce her. And I don't have all the stuff for that. But yeah, she moves very nicely in her wheelchair. And it actually looks like she's sitting in it. Oh, she's beautiful. And that hair, it just needs to be on this side. But I'm a little scared of her hair because I like curls. I don't usually touch the hair all that much. I like rarely put it up, but yeah, it would look nice like that. But I'm not good with hair. I'm my own. Alright. Well, there she is, Miss Brooke. This is crazy, because even though she's my first Truly Me from American Girl, it's my third American Girl from the actual website. She does look very pretty, even though she kind of reminds me of another one, but we're not going to discuss that, at least not in this video. Alright. I believe that is it from me. If you like this video, make sure to click the button. If you want to see more, subscribe, you will see more, hopefully. If I find time. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!